Imagine your computer as a living, thinking entity. The screen is its face, the keyboard its voice, but the true mastermind, the brain behind it all, is the CPU. Often overlooked by casual users, the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the heart of every digital operation you perform, from browsing the web to editing a 4K video or running a game at lightning speed. So, what exactly is a CPU? Think of it as the command center of your computer. Every action you take, clicking a link, opening a file, watching a video, sends instructions to the CPU. It interprets those instructions, makes decisions, and communicates with other components like memory, storage, and graphics to get the job done. Without it, your computer wouldn't just be slow, it would be completely lifeless. At its core, a CPU is made up of billions of microscopic transistors packed into a tiny chip. These transistors act like digital switches, flipping on and off to perform calculations at incredible speed. The faster and more efficiently your CPU can process data, the smoother your computing experience will be. When you hear terms like cores and threads, they refer to how many tasks your CPU can handle at once. More cores mean better multitasking. A quad-core CPU, for example, can juggle several processes without breaking a sweat, while modern processors can have up to 16 or even more for high-performance needs like gaming or professional editing. Another key aspect is clock speed, measured in gigahertz, (GHz). This tells you how fast your CPU can process information. But speed isn't everything, architecture and efficiency also play a big role. A newer CPU with a lower clock speed might outperform an older, faster one due to better design and power management. Choosing the right CPU depends on your needs. Are you a casual user, gamer, creative professional, or a traveler needing a lightweight laptop? The perfect CPU should match your digital lifestyle, balancing performance, battery life, and cost. In a world where computers are central to everything from work to exploration, understanding your CPU can empower you to make smarter choices. After all, when your computer's brain is in top shape, everything else just flows. Now that you've peeked inside the brain of your computer, what type of user do you think you are, and does your CPU reflect that?